Where does rain come from?
When the sun shines down, the water on the earth evaporates and rises up into the air as water vapor.
What's water vapor?
You know, when water dries up. Well, it isn't really drying up. It's just turning into something else that you can't see. That's called water vapor. Air currents move some of the water vapor higher, where it is cooler. As the water vapor cools, it joins with little pieces of dust in the air to form tiny drops of water. These tiny droplets gather together in the sky to form clouds. The water droplets combine to make bigger drops, and when they get too heavy to float in the cloud, they fall back down to Earth. When it's really cold outside, the water drops in the clouds freeze. Then it snows or hails.
You can make it rain in your house. Here's an experiment you can try. Ask an adult to hold a measuring cup upside down over a pot of boiling water. The steam is water vapor too, rises until it bumps against the inside of the cup and sticks there. When the steam cools off, it turns into water droplets.